Hey guys, bro here from Two Freaks, and we're just picking some apples.
Okay, Connor.
They're having an apple fight. Ooh, that one's good. Nope, never mind.
Hey, look.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god, there's a big ass bruise there!
Okay, Connor. I was just getting revenge. Stupid Nick.
I said apples with apples.
We're gonna go on a big adventure. See, we got boots on.
Ooh,
Get off me.
I don't.
I'm eating this one.
Swing better, bit.
Ooh.
Swing better, hit.
I have an apple in my hand.
Swing better.
Okay, we'll see you when we're in my bum. And we're in the forest. Yes.
Do you want to stick your giant snake for my asshole?
I'm recording.
I'm recording. Get a shot of this hiking commentary with Brody, Connor, and Devin.
Oh, what happened here?
A big dick fell on it.
Dude, what happened?
I don't. It's a tree.
Wasp nest.
Can you point to what got broken? Nothing. The tree was obviously made like that. What happened?
Wait, were you serious about a wasp nest?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was like up there.
Okay, we'll get. I'll come back when something exciting happens.
Time to dig.
Holy fuck! What is that?
Boots dig.
There's a fucking.
Okay, I'm gonna have to put a disclaimer on this video. There is lots of profanity coming from this guy's pie hole.
Not going for my pull hole. I see.
What? Oh.
Sediment. Okay, here on Bear Grylls. Here we have some sedimentary.
Hey,
here
it's
we have
a worm.
Here we have some
Wait, what?
sedimentary.
Worm.
Here we have a sedimentary worm and some sedimentary
Ooh!
mud. Okay, what the hell?
I'm gonna kill all those mosquitoes.
I threw them.
Worm at 'em.
Okay, guys, let's get the hell out of here. Let's keep moving. Let's go. Get some more sedimentary mud.
Can you point at the green stuff? Is it that thing that's not
Hey,
green?
have you told him that?
Is it that stuff that is
It's
green?
Brody, have you told him it's Broster the Explorer?
No.
Oh, guys,
Oh,
look at
tell him that.
this. Guys, what is this exciting? Look. It's muddy.
Oh.
Mud.
So
tell him,
the-
Brody.
Tell him what?
This is Broster.
Okay, so we got boots up there. See, can you say boots? Boots. Very good, very good. This is Broster the Explorer. Oh my God, I hate these mosquitoes. Broster the Explorer. And behind we got who?
Conego.
Conego.
Like Diego, but it's nigga.
I'm editing that out. Oh, fuck! Are you recording? Yes! Get out of here! Help! Get out of my way!
Keep running, turn the corner, go!
Were you being serious?
Yes! I'm not shitting you right now! This last goal training has come due. Yeah, I can hear them.
What?
The buzzing noise.
What is it?
Not three of them. They're
Focus.
buzzing really loud.
Focus. There we go.
What are you talking about?
What?
Oh.
Apparently there was a giant. I think he was lying, but.
I'm not shitting you.
Mm-hmm.
There's like 80 wasps.
Stop. Where are you going, Meow?
Can you see the exit?
No, I can't, nigga.
Is it there? There? Or there?
Here we have some indigenous pottery.
It's there, obviously. If you said anywhere else in there, then you should probably not be alive.
We got some indigenous pottery.
Oh, hey, look at this.
Oh yeah, Brody, getting some good cracks on this. Brody, tech destruction channels.
This isn't tech. It's crap that's been in here for like 5 years.
Brody. Last bucket should be full, no. No, it's not. Clouds. Go faster, motherfucker, go faster.
Stop, Meow.
Are you stopping?
care about.
Sure, Brody. You asshole. Fucking push me out of the way. When times come to tough.
We made it out. I'm gonna dox somebody. You never know who I might dox.
One ding dong, just them.
Peace out.